I don't even think they're halfway yet at this point. Look, Mark is in charge now. Mark is in charge of getting this figured out. Yeah. Coming together. Mark is getting them. We're almost done, guys. I promise.
Oh, my memory's gonna be gone.
Almost there. We're almost there. Almost. We're never gonna. I hope you guys got enough Jesus in the sermon because we. That's right. There you go, I think. Okay, go to your seat. I'm going to have Mark read this puzzle to us. Here we go. Mark is going to read this to us. Go ahead and read it, Mark. Randy and Lauren are having a baby. Lauren and I are having a baby. Here's the puzzle to prove it. So just so you guys know, Ronnie's been calling me Daddy Randy for like a couple weeks now. Some people have found out. But just so you guys know, there is going to be a little one around here around October 13th. So, yeah. Some people already knew. I don't know. Some people are very nice. I barely knew. I don't know. Yeah. So everyone who was on the Chicago mission trip, now everything kind of makes sense why Lauren's so sick all the time. So that things are starting to click now. That's great. Hey, you guys, real quick.